I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to be brutally honest with you because someone needed to be brutally honest with me when I was in my shitty apartment, constantly delaying work, hoping for things to change itself, and lying to my family about how things were coming together. Here's the cold truth. The world doesn't care about your potential. It only cares about what you've actually done. And right now, you haven't done shit. That girl who friend-zoned you, she made the right choice. Those job opportunities that passed you by, you weren't ready. That body you keep promising to transform, still weak. Be honest, like, have you made the level of progress you know you can achieve? No? Then don't let your ego foul you. Most people will hear this intro and click off the video, but if you actually stayed, then you're ready to change. Your 2025 comeback starts with nuclear-level accountability. I want you to take out your phone right now and make a list titled, "Why I'm Embarrassed to Be Me." List everything: the debt, the weak arms, the failed relationships, the opportunities you choked on. This list isn't to depress you, it's to fuel you. Because that burning shame in your gut, that's your rocket fuel. Most people run from that feeling. You're going to weaponize it. Every time you want to skip the gym, look at that list. Every time you're tempted to waste hours scrolling, look at that list. That list is now your Bible. For the next 90 days, you're entering what I call psycho mode. This means no alcohol, no junk food, no casual dating, no mindless entertainment. Your only pleasures will come from progress. Wake up at 5 a.m. and immediately do 50 push-ups. Not because it's optimal, but because it builds discipline. Spend your lunch breaks learning high-income skills, not watching sports highlights. Your evenings? Either grinding your side hustle or recovering properly for tomorrow's battle. Weekends are for catching up, not catching a buzz. I know this sounds extreme. Good. Normal got you where you are now. Let's talk about your body, because right now it's screaming, "I don't respect myself." Starting tomorrow, you're on the No More Bitch Tits program. Lift heavy weights 4 times per week, walk 10,000 steps daily, and eat like an adult, which means protein with every meal, vegetables even when you don't want them, and 0 liquid calories. The goal isn't to get jacked overnight, though you will. It's to rebuild your self-respect 1 rep at a time. When you start seeing definition where there was once flab, you'll stand differently, speak differently, and demand more from life. Now let's fix your finances, because begging your parents for money at 30 isn't a good look. Pick one high-income skill, copywriting, coding, sales, and spend 2 hours every day mastering it. Not when you feel like it, every single day. Offer your services for cheap at first, then systematically increase your rates. Save every dollar like your future depends on it, because it does. Within 6 months, you should be making more from your side hustle than your day job. That's when you quit and go all in. Here's the secret no one tells you. The person you'll become in 2025 is being built through the daily decisions you make right now. Not tomorrow, not Monday. Today. That voice saying, "Maybe later?" That's the old you dying. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you're putting another brick in your comeback foundation. There will be days you want to quit. Good. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. There will be people who doubt you. Even better. Let their skepticism be your jet fuel. When December 31st, 2024 comes around, you'll have one of 2 experiences. Either you'll be celebrating the greatest year of your life, toasting to new muscles, new money, and new confidence. Or you'll be making the same excuses you're making right now. The choice is yours. But know this: time is coming for you either way. You can either transform willingly now, or life will force you to change later when you have fewer options. I know which path I chose. Comment "no limits" if you're ready to choose yours. The war for your best life starts now.